If you are anything like my husband and I and are an overpacker, you need to try some vacuum seal bags. These are not just for traveling. These are really great when you are wanting to store your seasonal clothing as well. It just packs away so nice and neat, and then everything stays, dry. You're not going to get any bugs, any moisture in there. They're fantastic. So these ones here were sent for my review, and I'm going to be trying them for the very first time. So this is a pack of 18, and I do like, this is actually the first time I have seen that. On each bag, it actually tells you the size of the bag. So we have the 20-inch bags, we have the 24-inch bags, and then these ones are 28. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go with the middle size here. So I'll put these to the side. I'm going to go ahead and grab one. So you do obviously have multiple of each. I think this is the right size. Let's see. Well, this one might even be big. Like I hear 24 and I just didn't even think it was going to be this big, but that's fantastic. So I've just grabbed some clothing, for example. Let's say you're going on a trip. You have a couple shirts, shorts, pants, and already it's just taking up like half the suitcase. And it's like we haven't even gotten our toiletry bag in there. We haven't gotten our shoes, nothing yet. I don't know why I brought this over yet. Hold on. All right. So this is really great. If you've never tried these, they're awesome because obviously it is just going to save you so much space. So I'm going to go ahead and take these. I probably could have gone with the smaller one, but we've got the bigger one, so we're just going to go ahead and roll with it. One thing you do want to keep in mind, you kind of want to try and get the clothing like as nicely like aligned as possible. Aligned just meaning like, kind of the same height. You want to take up some of that dead space in here. So again, as I said, I probably went with a size too big, but that's quite all right. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of fill this in here. I think this should be okay. It also comes with, where did I put those? There's like little, oh, they're inside here. So I do want to show that. So these right here, because it's really important that these get sealed properly. And sometimes people have a hard time. It's just like a giant Ziploc bag, but these can be really tough. So you want to make sure, and there's two of them. So we've got the top one, and we've got the bottom one here you want to go across. So sometimes people have a trouble with that. So they do add these in here, and this is just a really nice way to help you seal them. For some reason, I don't love them. I feel like I can just kind of do that on my own. So now we've got them in here. We've got 4 or 5 shirts. We've got 2 pairs of shorts, pants. And then of course, as you can see, there's all this air in here, right? So the point is we want to make this as small as possible. Absolutely love that this comes with a rechargeable pump. The ones that, a lot of them are coming with these nowadays. I turn this on for a second and it's pretty powerful. Right out of the box, it does have a charge. Of course, it does come with the cable to recharge it. So what you would do is you would just open this up and then I'm not too sure. Oh, let's see. That probably has to come out. Let me see. Nope, that stays there. And we're going to go ahead and just put this on top. Doesn't need to spin. It doesn't even need to spin. Sweet. Okay, so we're going to put this on top. I'm going to click that button and then watch the magic. Oh, that is fast. Wow. And sometimes I like to take it and just kind of help it push some of this down because sometimes the clothing still is like too high, has some air in between. Wow, I have used many bags and many of these little vacuum pumps before, and that is the fastest I've ever seen this done. This is crazy. So again, as I said, I do think I took too big of a bag. I would go with the smaller one, but then check this out. So now it's all vacuum sealed. I can put another bag, another layer on top of here. As I said, like a couple pairs of shorts, pants, 4 or 5 shirts in here, and it doesn't even look like that. And I can do the same with another bag, so you can load that on top. One of the things I know this is going to sound silly, but I do just want to throw it out there. This doesn't change the weight of the clothing. I know a lot of times you think, hey, so if you are checking your bag, you still need to keep the weight in mind, but definitely gives you a lot more space in your suitcase. So yeah, if you are looking for some vacuum seal bags, honestly, highly recommend. This thing is powerful.